Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn like how to switch from demo account to Binocoin, from real account to Binocoin, right? So please watch this video from beginning, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you. So friends, in order to switch from demo accounts or real account to Binomo coin, you need to log in first. So please log in first to your Binomo trading platforms, and then once you log in, then you will see dashboard, and then here you can see demo accounts. I just switched on demo accounts wallet, so click on this, and here you will see Bino coin. So just click on Binocoins, or if you are on the real account too, like let me a real account. So here see I'm switched on real account, and if you want to switch from real account to Binocoins, so let's click on this and click on Binocoins, right? So once you clicked Binocoins, here you can see on left side there is a pop, like there is a sidebar opens where you can see that this is the Binocoins, which is built of it is built of the combination of gold and silvers, right? So you can click on Binomo history, Binocoin history, so you will see all it like history here. Yeah, like earn, bought, expired, redeems and rewards. So these types of options here you can filter it out, and you can see here, right? Let me go back and click again here Binocoins, and here there is a bonuses like deposit bonus. If you from 39366 Binocoins, let me click on this. So here if you select like deposit something, so you will get 50% of bonus, right? Again go back, and here RFT bonus, so it is coming soon. And here you can see Hawkins Ashi color ribbons. Let me click on this, and you can buy this, like this is 0, so let me buy this. So now it is buy, bought, and it's downloaded. Let me open this. What is this? So here you can see Binomo color ribbons, so you can read it about what is it. Make a trade when the price move between your support and resistance lines. So you will see this, right? And here you can see, let me go back again, and here click on Hawkins SI and click on buy, and this is also downloaded. I think this is PDF file. So like it's a trading strategy where you can learn how to trade and place an order. So here I just trading psychology, you can also learn trading psychology, trading tools and strategies. So let me trading psychology, and here you can subscribe for 412 rupees Indian rupees, right? And let go back again, trading tools and strategy. Again this is the same, right? So this is the Binomo coins, where you can switch from real account to Binomo coins, and or demo accounts to Binomo coin. Thank you.